of all, welcome. First of all, you open your Chrome, and when your Chrome has loaded, you search for iron webcam. And that's it, the first one. And as you can see, this is their site. If you are a Mac user, you download the one for Mac, and if you are a Windows user, you download the one for Windows. And as you can see, I have it already on my desktop. Once you finish installing the software on your computer, the next thing for you to do is to go to your Google Play Store, and if you are an iPhone user, you go to your App Store and you search for iron webcam. Let me do it again. Iron webcam. As you can see, this is it over here. I've downloaded it already, so I just need to open it. So you do the same also. You install the app on your phone. As you can see, I have it here. Okay. Yes, the next thing for you to do now is to connect your phone and your laptop to the same network. Here on my phone, I am connected to iPhone, and as you can see as well, on my laptop I'm connected to iPhone, as you can see. So your phone and your laptop have to be on the same network, and the next thing for you to do is to launch this software, iron webcam. Let's wait for it to load. As you can see, it has loaded. So you go to your phone as well, you open the app also on your phone. Continue. As you can see right now, my phone is showing. Let me put it on front camera so you can see. You can see my face. That is it working, and I can switch to back camera as well as I want to. So the next thing for you to do now is to minimize this, and you open your Easyworship. Now your Easyworship, once you open your Easyworship, the next thing for you to do is to go to media, and you come to feed. It's already here, but let me remove this so you can know how to do it. Okay, so all you need to do now is click on this plus button, give it your name. So I'm going to call my camera 1. And you come to this input device, you click it, then you select iron direct show. As you can see now, my phone is reflecting on my computer. So now here I'm going to change the resolution as you wish, but the best thing for you is to reduce the resolution so it will not be nagging. This is okay by 29. Okay, aspect ratio, audio. You can move to the audio, the volume, since you are not going to use it, and if you want to use it, no problem, you click on OK. Now from here I can take my camera out, and you can see it's projecting. You can see right now that my camera is now reflecting as my external output. As you can see, if I should project any Bible, and I come to my media, I can drag this on this, as to be the background. And if I launch it, you can see now it left to you to know how you're going to create the lower third for your Bible. But all I want to show you in this video is how to connect your phone to your laptop as a camera source, and how you can use it on your Easyworship. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video interesting and it has helped you, please beg you to subscribe, for I will be dropping more video concerning Easyworship and other software. Thank you.